Bye.
Hello guys! Welcome to my channel! It's me again, Sugar Kawai Sato. How are you guys? It's been a long time not doing this vlog and I miss you all. Sorry if I'm so busy recently. So now it's time for unboxing box. But before we unbox our box, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the icon button so you will be updated to my new video. Sorry about the noise because we're making business here. We're making our business here and this machine is so noisy. So forgive me. So anyways, so guys, let's get our box. Dun, 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 dun. 1, 2. Check natin. 1, 2. Wait. Again. 1, 2, 3. There's no prank because I don't have time to make a prank today because I'm so tired and I'm not feeling well. So we're gonna open this as soon as possible because it's been a long time since opening this. So it's time to open it, and as you can see, you can guess what's inside. It's a knife. But we don't know what's inside, if it's really knife or it's a prank, or maybe it's a prank. Now let's see. So this one is a knife, okay? So it's a mystery box, and there, you can see this is a prank. So let's open it in 3, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yay! It's another box. Yeah, it's a box. So we're gonna keep this. It's a check. So don't forget to check my new video and my shower challenge. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. So this is the box, guys. We all know if we have a knife box. So we don't know what's inside, guys. So let's see what's inside. So we can do, and you can now start guessing. So guys, let's see what's inside. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. In 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute, guys. 3, 2, 1. It's a comb. No, this is not a comb. Yeah, so this is our mystery box today, guys. I told you there's no prank anymore. So this one a comb. So if your hair is long, and you can scratch your back if your back is itchy. It's okay. This is for pasta, guys. Pasta. Making pasta. This is for making pasta, okay? But this is not our vlog for today. So let's see what's inside again. And in 3, 2, 1. This is what you call this? Kamay pipe. There. Or you can pack yourself if you have pack for the face. You can use this, and you can use spoon for eating. Ay nako, just joking. So this is not the one, guys, but you can use this for scratching, like that. So like that. But not that's one. This is not the one. I'm just joking. So let's see. This is there's no prank anymore because I already pranked it twice. And now let's see. In 3, 2. Oh, you're TV show. 3, 2. We need to make a thumbnail or a thumbnail. So we need to post. Yeah, like that. Like that. So guys, just open it in 3, 2. I don't know what is this, but let's see if is this a shoes or what kind of shoes is this. Is it really Nike or something? So in 3, 2, 1. It's a paper. Oh my god, oh my god. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Yay! Yeah, it's a knife. It's orange. See? This is the new style, and I think this one is cool and it's more portable to walk. And if you make a Zumba. There you go, guys. See, wow, is it nice? So let's make it for the thumbnail. Yeah, there. For our thumbnail. So guys, this is our unboxing. Another Nike shoes. Wow! Look at that one, guys. It's really nice and cool. Oh, thumbnail. There, guys. See? Wow! So this one is so comfortable, and you can see inside. There's something inside, and it's so soft. And look at that. You will not slide because there's what's this? This one is so nice. So if you run, maybe you will not split or something, or see, so cool and it's nice. This is what do you call this? Running shoes. Yeah, buddy. This is a running shoes. Because we're going to start a diet. So this one is good for your diet, and if you want to have like this, buy your own. But I'm just showing you this. Another new what's this? New arrival of Nike is orange. See, guys, so cool. It is nice. There. Okay. So this one I think is, there's no price, but I think this one is expensive. Yeah, I forgot how much it is. I forgot. So here's, guys, here's our unboxing Nike shoes. There. Ta-da! There you go. There you go. So guys, this is our unboxing shoes. Ulit. So guys, I hope you like our shoes. So we're gonna use this soon as possible, if I can go out and run for my diet. So guys, I hope you like our vlogs today. So, if you have any any kind of shoes you want, just let me know. So I can this one I can recommend you. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying, but it's hard to say, and it's hard to say. It's time to say goodbye, and I hope you like our vlogs. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more unboxing sugar video. Bye! 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 Thanks for watching! Bye!